have really made it easy for us to standardize our process against all of our different sites that have different reporting structures. We've had a great experience with WebTMA 7. Customer support that we received from TMA is probably one of the key factors of why we are so satisfied with TMA. Everybody who's I've encountered with in my 10 years with TMA has always been willing to help, willing to improve the product.
It's got a permanent resonance. It provides exactly what we need. It's part of our business practice. It's baked in.
TMA really does offer us the whole workflow of all of our trades. Using TMA and the PM, we have reduced the number of reactive work orders on campus. We have tracked that since we started TMA. We used to have about 3 times more reactive work orders than we had preventative maintenance work orders, and now it's about 60% of our work orders are reactive and 40% are PM. I have seen some other CMMS maintenance management software solutions, and it makes me thankful that we actually do have TMA and it works well for us.
Our company's experience with TMA has been stellar. The customer support is second to none. There's never been an opportunity where we had a question or encountered a difficulty within the program that it wasn't acted on or resolved in a very timely manner.
I never really worry about any kind of problems or issues I'm going to have with the software, because if I do run into a little glitch, they're a phone call or an email away.
I would recommend TMA because it's been a system that was easier to learn, easier to figure out. And once I was in the system, it was easy for me to manage all my assets and my equipment.
It is more easy to use compared to the other software, so we stuck with TMA. I never had a bad experience with TMA's customer service. It's incredible how they help you.
They are first rate, always responsive to our questions and our needs, and I would give them 100% rating every time.